Welcome to LexV Designs. Today we are going to be learning how to make this gathered sleeve so easy to make. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Now for this sleeve I have on fold this 16 inches. I have on fold 16 inches and for the sleeve. Now the person's normal sleeve is about 7.5. This is 15 when you measure it round. So on this 15 that I have, I just doubled that 15 to have about 32 in total. So I'm just marking 4.5 from the end of this fabric. This side has two open sides. I will be marking 4.5. You can use 4, you can use 5. It depends on how deep you want it to be. So I'll just connect it from that up to down, and I will connecting it this way so you will see. Let me just mark it. So this way, I will mark all the way down. Okay, so this is it. Now if you're wondering at what point you should slope, you can start sloping at 5, you can start sloping at 4, but I just started sloping at 5, and this is it. So I'll just cut it out and turn it with my lining. I'll be turning it with my lining, then I will run my stitch the way I will show you now. So first of all, I'm just marking my sleeve length where I want my sleeve to start, and then I'll be adding allowance too. So at 12.5, I just added half inch for turning over my sleeve. So this is it here. I have turned it over. This is how it looks. Okay, with the lining. So I'll just go ahead and run my stitches, but I'll show you how to set the machine whenever you want to sew this type of gathered sleeve. It's almost the same thing as sewing the gathered gown. Okay, while I'm at this, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you. So I'll just be setting my machine this way. You see, as that last button, this is where I will set it. Then I run my stitch from the beginning to the end. So I will just be pulling my thread from the thread under. With the thread under, I'll be pulling till I get to the midpoint where I notched on this sleeve. Then I'll pull from the other end. When I'm done pulling from the other end, I'll place it on top of the rest of my fabric and then sew. This is so easy to make, You can easily achieve this sleeve within the shortest period, and it comes out very nice. It's a little different from the puff, having a puff sleeve. This is not puff, but it comes out almost better than the puff sleeve. Okay. So you have to just make sure that you don't have less than the fabric required, and then you sew. And that's all. Look at how the sleeve came out. And then it's so easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Compliments of the season. I'm sorry I didn't even say it at the beginning of this video. So stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Thank you.